How to fix floating keyboard issue on Realme P4. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on Chrome app. Now here click on keyboard. So you will see keyboard is floating. So if you want to fix floating keyboard, so click on this four dot icon. Now here you will see click on floating. You will see floating keyboard is fixed. So after fix floating keyboard, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix floating keyboard issue on Realme P4. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.